Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to turn off flashlight while clicking photo on your device. So friends, before we continue the steps, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to open the camera. After that, on the side, let's try to click photo. Okay, from here, suppose I'm going to try to click this photo from here. Okay, so let's click it. So here it shines like this. Okay, so you can see the difference. Okay, so what you have to do here is you can check it, the light used to shine. Okay, so if you want to set off this flashlight on your device, just click on this side here, yellow color. After that, here is the cut. Okay, this lightning cut. Okay, so just click on the first option and the flashlight on your device will be set off. You can see the change. Okay, see, it has been set off, right? See, it has been off now. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.